Hello, my students. Good morning. How's life? Today, we are going to explain about making, responding, and canceling appointment in the meeting. But before we start our class today, last week we have studied about how to handling the telephone. There are 6 expressions of handling the telephone. The first is how to identify yourself. The second is how to explain why you are calling. And the third is telling you the person if not available. Or is how to ask when the person will return. The fifth is how to ask leave a message. And the last is how to confirming the message and concluding the call. Today, we move to explain about making, responding, and canceling appointment in the meeting. First slide is the definition. This expression is made when you want to make an appointment with someone. Jadi, adik-adik, ekspresi ini, the language is expression, dibuat untuk ketika kita ingin membuat janji dengan seseorang. Ya. Have you hear about can I meet or let's meet? Ini adalah jenis percakapan language expression of making appointment. Okay. Dan there are several kinds of language expressions. Jadi ada beberapa jenis language expressions of making appointment untuk membuat janji. Yang pertama itu, can we arrange the meeting on? Can we arrange the meeting on? Bisakah kita mengatur pertemuannya pada bla bla bla? This is the kind of request. Jadi ini berbentuk request ya teman-teman. Ini berbentuk request of making appointment. And second is can we meet on bla bla bla? Bisakah kita bertemu pada bla bla bla? And the third is let's meet. Ayo bertemu. Ayo kita ketemu. Is the language expression of making appointment. And then are you free on? Apakah kamu bersedia pada bla bla bla? And then are you available next weekend? Apakah kamu bersedia di libur yang selanjutnya, holiday yang selanjutnya? Ya. Dan is bla 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 okay to you? Misalnya, is 5 o'clock okay to you? Apakah bisa jam 5? Ya. Is 4 o'clock okay to you? Apakah is tomorrow okay to you? Or ini juga kita bisa gunakan can we meet on tomorrow? Can we meet on Sunday? Or can we meet rubah onnya menjadi at? Can we meet at 7 o'clock? Ataukah kita juga bisa rubah can we meet on next Monday? Oke, jadi terserah teman-teman ya. Jadi teman-teman kita sudah pelajari ya preposition on, in, dan at ya minggu lalu pada pertemuan pertama ya. Kemudian we move how to responding the appointment. Bagaimana cara merespon ya the appointment, janji ya. Bagaimana cara merespon janji. The first is that sounds good. Kita ini menerima ya. Kita menerima janjinya. That sounds good. Kelihatannya bagus. Kita juga bisa that sounds interactive. Ataukah that sounds interesting. Kelihatannya menarik. Okay, this is the language expression of how to responding the appointment. Second is that's fine. Oke aja. That's fine. Okay, let's meet. Ayo bertemu. This is the responding the appointment. Then we move to how to canceling the appointment. Tadi kita sudah belajar bagaimana cara membuat janji, bagaimana responnya ketika kita mau menerima janji, dan kemudian how to canceling the appointment, bagaimana cara membatalkan janji. Ya, misalnya teman-teman tidak bersedia, teman-teman bisa membatalkan. First expression, this expression is I think I cannot. Saya kira saya tidak bisa, ya. Dan I'm afraid I have got another meeting. Saya takut, saya punya pertemuan yang lain. Jadi dia tidak bersedia, ya, teman-teman. Dia tidak bersedia. Makanya dia men-cancel the appointment, membatalkan janjinya. And then bisa juga pakai ekspresi ini, I'm sorry, I think I cannot make it. Ya, maaf. Ya, I think I cannot make it. Saya kira saya tidak bisa berjanji untuk itu, ya. And then Tuesday seems to be a little bit difficult, ya. And then bisa juga ini, I would prefer to meet on Friday, ya. Is that okay? Okay. Ini beberapa expression, ya, how to canceling the appointment. And then we move to the conversations as you can see on the slide. Jadi kita pindah ke percakapannya. Tentunya seperti ini, ya, teman-teman. For example, hi class, can we meet on Saturday? Hi class, can we meet on Saturday? Bisakah kita bertemu on Saturday? Kemudian berkata, hello Akbar, I'm available in this week, let's meet. Nah, jadi Akbar menerima bisa bertemu. Saya bersedia minggu ini, ayo bertemu. This making an appointment, can we meet on Saturday? Jadi ini pernyataan yang membuat bahwa dia making appointment, and this is the response of making appointment. Jadi ini responnya, ya. Ya, bahwa dia menyatakan dia setuju. I'm available in this week. Let's meet. So how about if he declining the appointment? Ya, bagaimana kira-kira kalau dia ingin merubah janjinya? As you can see on the slide, hi Ikhlas, are you free on 2nd April, Friday? Apakah kamu bersedia pada 2 April, Jumat nanti? Can we meet? Bisakah kita bertemu? Kemudian Akbar bilang apa? Si Ikhlas bilang, hello Akbar, I don't think I can on the 2nd April. Ya, saya tidak mengira, saya tidak bersedia, ya, atau mengira kita akan bertemu pada tanggal 2 April. Bagaimana kalau tanggal 4? How about on 4th? Ya, bagaimana kalau tanggal 4? Nah, ini declining the appointment. How about on 4th? Dia menawarkan kembali, merubah jadwalnya. Nah, itu namanya declining the appointment. Bukan men-cancelnya, tapi merubah. Declining the appointment. How, as you can see on the slide, the expression is, I'm sorry, something urgent has come up. Can we fix another time? Saya meminta maaf, ada sesuatu yang penting akan segera datang. Can we fix another time? Bisa kita fixkan di waktu yang lain, ya. Dia menawarkannya, suggesting, not requesting, bukan requesting, tapi dia suggesting. Dia memberi saran bahwa bisakah kita mengubahnya ke waktu yang lain. Dan juga ini, okay, let's meet on Monday. Bisa juga ini, ya, memakai decline the appointment. Okay, mari kita bertemu pada hari Senin. Let's meet on Monday. Dia memberi suggestion bahwa jangan misalnya hari Minggu. Don't Sunday, but Monday. Let's meet on Monday. And then I'm available today. Saya bersedia hari ini. Misalnya di Ikhlas meminta besok, tapi si Akbar sedianya hari ini. Dia memberikan suggestion by declining the appointment. I'm available today. Saya bersedianya hari ini, bukan besok. Not tomorrow, but today. Dan I am free next week. Bisa juga pakai ini ya teman-teman. Saya bersedia minggu depan. Bisa juga pakai Wednesday will be fine. Ya, Rabu akan lebih baik. Dan Friday would be perfect. What is Friday, teman-teman? Friday itu Jumatnya. Friday would be perfect. Jumat akan lebih baik. Ya, akan lebih baik. Dia memberikan suggestion. Bukan menolak appointment, tapi memberikan suggestion about declining appointment. Ya. And then next week would be perfect. Minggu depan akan lebih baik minggu depan ya. Would be perfect. And then I think we cannot meet today. Would it possible if we meet tomorrow? Saya kira kita tidak bisa bertemu hari ini. Bisakah besok kita bertemu? Mungkinkah besok kita bertemu? Jika kita besok bertemu, ya. Jadi dia merubah ya, kan hari ini. Dia declining the appointment, mengubah janjinya. Kemudian, I'm sorry, I can't make it. Would it be okay to set another time? Maaf, saya tidak bisa ya. Saya tidak bisa berjanji. Would it be okay to set another time? Bisakah kita untuk mengatur waktunya kembali? Mengatur waktu. Would it be okay? Bisakah kita mengaturnya to set another time di waktu yang lain? Bisakah kita mengatur waktunya di waktu yang lain? And then something has just cropped up and want to be able to meet you today. Ya. Jadi ada kata crop up. Ya, crop up. Something has just crop up. Ya, jadi crop up itu apa teman-teman? Something has just crop up and I want to be able to meet you today. Sesuatu baru saja terjadi ya. And I want to be able to meet you today. Dan saya mau bersedia menemuimu besok. Oke teman-teman. Jadi making, responding, and settling the appointment is important to use in language expression when we in business situation. Jadi ini sangat penting digunakan pada saat di dunia kerja. Kita membuat janji dengan teman dalam bentuk bahasa Inggris. You can use this expression. The first expression is how to make an appointment. Bagaimana cara membuat janji, how to respond, and then how to canceling the appointment, bagaimana cara membatalkannya, ataukah how to declining the appointment, ya, ataukah how to declining the appointment, bagaimana menolak dengan cara memberikan saran yang lain, declining the appointment. Oke teman-teman, jadi untuk tugasnya pada hari ini, ya, as you can see on the slide, work in pairs, kerjakan secara berpasangan, ya teman-teman, kerjakan secara berpasangan. Write your dialogue, tulis dialognya, and make a video conversations about, dan buatlah video percakapan tentang making, responding, and declining and canceling appointment in business situation at least 2 minutes more, then upload on Google Classroom. Oke teman-teman. Kemudian teman-teman mengumpulkan tugasnya. Tugasnya based for list of attendees is based on the assignment collected. Okay, thank you very much for a nice attention. I think that's all for our class today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.